Welcome everybody to Mr. 3D. So Blender Market Summer Sale is here and this is offering all Blender users 25% off over 2000 products that are available on Blender Market. Sale is running from now till 30th of August and any of you who are excited about any of the products which are on sale now, I recommend you checking these things out. Now on the home page, you can see a whole lot of things which are 25% off now. Starting off, let's take a look at learning stuff. You may know about a live animation course for Blender created by the folks at P2 Design. This course will take you through advanced Blender animation techniques and tools to making industry level animation in Blender. And you might also take a look at some of the other courses such as Art of Effective Rigging in Blender to become state-of-the-art rigging artist in Blender, and a lot more courses that you can see right here. Now if you want to rig your characters very quickly fast, you can check out the AutoRig Pro or the AutoRig Pro Quick Rig add-on that you can use, and this is to save you a whole lot of time which you spend into rigging. So it's gonna make it very easy for you to rig characters and stuff like that. And then you can also take a look at skin selection tool which is on sale as well. You can save up 25% right here and you can get things up and running. And then we have BSnow, which is awesome for you to create snow effects, snow simulations in Blender. This is new add-on. There is also some demos. You can take a look at it and you can probably save up 25% on the Pro version and on the normal version. And we also have the RBDLab, which is changing the rigid body simulation in Blender. It's more like Houdini coming into Blender and stuff like that, which is awesome. And there's a new update coming soon which will change this add-on to a whole new level. And we have Racy Clutch, and he also have some quick motion camera, city road builder and cinematic HDRI. All the stuff is right here. You can check the Scifi elements as well. I already have a video on quick motion camera and on the city road builder. I'm gonna put a link in the description of those videos so you can do well to check them out. And then we have Eevee production suite, and this all gives you lighting presets which are impossible for you to make in such a less time. And this also gives you 165 procedural materials that you can play around with and to make thousands of different variations of those materials as you play around with them. And I already created a review on this add-on. If you would like to take a look at it, I'm gonna put the link in the description of that video so you can do well to check how this add-on works. And then we have K-Cycles, and there's a new version of K-CyclesX which is twice as faster than CyclesX, which is in development right now, and you can save up a lot of your rendering time and a lot of your energy resources, along with ultra denoiser, viewport effects such as bloom, post effects, flares, and a lot more. And you can also see that it's one of the fastest render engine out there. You can see some benchmarks right here which is crushing K-Cycles as well, and CyclesX, which is a new Blender render engine. Insane. I highly recommend you this K-Cycles if you are into cycles animation rendering stuff, or you want to save up your lot of energy resources and your time. And then we have True Train 4.1, which is awesome. It's gonna save you a whole lot of time to make realistic looking environments, landscapes in Blender, and this is also at 25% off, so you can do well to grab yourself a copy of True Train. And the prices will increase of this add-on on 7th of September to $139. So you can save up nearly half as right now, and this is to give you the realism that you want in your terrain creations, and you will not get these textures anywhere out there. These are all created by the True VFX, and you can probably take a look at this, and the review of this add-on is coming sooner than you think. And then we have Pure Sky, Eevee and Cycles, and this is very cool to actually see that it's here. And this comes with a lot of features. You can have realistic clouds and sun, night, you have moon with clouds. You can get a whole lot of things out of this add-on and probably save up your whole lot of time to make this by your hands in Blender. Amazing. And this also works with K-Cycles in case you have K-Cycles to speed up your rendering. This also also works with e-cycles and the normal version. And here are some features which you will get on the different versions of this add-on. I might think consider you checking these things out. As you can see, you can get a ton of stuff out of this add-on. I highly recommend you this add-on. Make sure to grab yourself a copy of this add-on if you want to save up a whole lot of time. Now everything I showed in this video is gonna be linked down in the description, so you can do well to grab yourself if you want. Everything I showed you in this video is gonna save you a lot of time which you cannot even think of how much you are saving your time with these add-ons. And that's it for this video. Let me know what you guys think about this stuff that I talked about in this video. And if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share it with your friends. And if you're new here, it's gonna be amazing for you to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notifications so that you won't miss any future uploads. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.